Hello, this is Jonathan Gus, the product manager for the Sprinter division of Keystone RV. And here is another edition of Fresh Takes. This is our 333 FKS Sprinter Limited Travel Trailer. This has been an awesome seller for us because of the really cool kitchen that I'm going to show you in a second and a fantastic bedroom. Let's start here in the living room. You're going to have first the tri-fold sofa, and of course with all the Sprinter product you're going to get that to be a full 60/80 fold out. And then moving to the Thomas Paine theater seating, a couple cup holders, some storage for you, and they do fully recline. The really nice setup to this is that you're directly across from the 55-inch TV, the DVD with soundbar, and a fireplace that will push out about 5,000 BTUs of heat or just have a nice ambiance at night. Moving into the kitchen area, this one here is optioned with the freestanding table and chairs, which is a nice option. But it's a couple of the cool things that are unique to this is having the range right here in the island with all this countertop space. Really cool spot. And of course you're going to have the plugs and a USB to charge in a very convenient location. Storage is king in the kitchens, we know that. So we're going to give you a ton of storage. Storage, storage. 4 drawers here, 2 drawers here, another pantry set up over here, and 2 pot and pan drawers over here. One really cool feature of this unit is that you have the sink area right outside or over that windshield, so you get a really cool view while you're doing the dishes or anything else. And of course the bamboo sink covers, a big sink area, and a great prep space. Another unique feature of this floor plan is the 2 refrigerators. The benefit to that of course is more refrigerator space. So you get 7 cube fridge here, 7 cube fridge here, so you kind of have a his and hers if you like. Moving over here, this really worked out cool. This is like a coffee nook area. You got a plug in here, nice countertop. You got a window overlooking your campsite, which is a nice benefit. And you have the microwave located in a nice location for shorter people. A lot of times in travel trailers and fifth wheels, they get up there too high for you. And again, those big pots and pans drawers are huge. So let's move on into the bathroom. And before I forget, of course, we want to always look at the 8-function remote that will level. It will run your slide outs out, your awning lights. You can truly be set up from inside your vehicle before you ever get out. In here, of course, you're going to have a neo-angle shower, which is nice, gives you a little bit more room. And the key in here is a stainless steel sink and a ton of storage for you, a really big linen closet. Let's move on into the bedroom. This bedroom is fantastic. You cannot get a better, more spacious bedroom. You can have that door closed, easy area to change. Of course, a big 70/80 king bed with windows on either side, a full wardrobe on the front here, overhead drawers here. And then as you come around, you're getting a full bank of drawers here, nice countertop space. You can put your TV hooked up. And we added a nice little sitting area. And of course, they're all going to be equipped with the Wi-Fi enabled, so you can either have a range extender or you can create a hotspot with your whole trailer, which is a really cool feature. I appreciate you taking the time to check out the 33 FKS. I know it's going to be a great seller. I'm excited for you guys to see it firsthand. So go to KeystoneRV.com, find your local dealer, and check it out. Thank you.